Oliver, you have been told by the board. Prepare the fold. Follow me. Bow to the board.
What's your name, boy? Boy, listen to me. You know that you are an orphan, I suppose?
This boy is fool. I thought he was.
You know that you have got no father and mother and that you are brought up by the parish, weren't you?
Yes, sir. What are you crying for, boy?
I hope you say your prayers for the night and the people who feed you and take care of you, like a Christian.
Yes. So you'll begin to pick Ogham tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Be ready for it.
The members of the board are very wise and philosophical men. They are so wise that they have their lunch, dinner, supper here only. As for the present moment, the members of the board are in a meeting and they are taking a decision that would change the course of Oliver's life.
I have an opinion.
And what is that?
We should give the orphans only two alternatives. One is to start quickly inside the workhouse or gradually outside the workhouse. Yes, we should also issue the inmates of the workers 3 meals with a thin gruel and then omelette twice a week.
For the first 6 months after Oliver Twist was moved in, the system was in full operation. As a result, during this period, the number of workhouse inmates got smaller and the inmates themselves shrank in size and became thinner.
It's time for lunch.
Come fast.
It is not sufficient. Yes, if they give more, it would be nice. Yeah, I can't sleep. I am hungry. I can't sleep. I'm hungry. If I don't get other mates of gruel per day, I am afraid that I might eat the boy who sleeps next to me.
I think someone should ask for more. Yes, the who are selected in the lottery should ask for more.
Yeah. Yes, let us think.
Let's take the lottery. Okay, as we discussed, we can take the lottery so that the person who gets the small spread should ask the master for more gruel.
Oh no, then we should ask for more.
It's time for supper.
Today on this festive occasion you will be getting 1 basin of gruel, 2 ounces and a quarter of bread. Come fast. Mr. Bumble.
Yes, sir. What?
Oliver is asking for more.
What? He asked me for more.
Yes.
Mr. Lincoln, sir. I beg your pardon, sir. Oliver Twist has asked for more.
For more, compose yourself, Bumble, and answer me distinctly. The boy asked for more after he had eaten the supper allotted by the board.
Yes, sir, he did. The boy will be hung. I know that the boy will be hung.
Oliver should be ordered into instant confinement.
Next morning, Bumble brings a poster which was pasted outside the gate of the orphanage.
Sir, may I know what does the bill state pasted outside the gate?
Don't worry, Bumble. It is we who have created the content of the bill. It says that 5 pounds will be rewarded to anybody who takes the Oliver Twist off the hands of the parish. In other words, 5 pounds and Oliver Twist will be offered to any man or woman who wanted an assistant for any trade or business.
I am Riya and I played the role of the narrator in this play.
I am Harika and I played the role of maid 2 in this play. I am Rishita. I played the role of maid 1 in this play. I am Jahnavi. I played the role of Oliver in this play. I am Pujita. I played the role of Tallboy in this play. I am Sujna. I played the role of Oliver Friend 2 in this play. I am Akshaya. I played the role of Oliver Friend 1 in this play.
I am Shwartala. I played Mr. Bumble in this play. I am Neha. I played the role of white waistcoat man in this play.
I am Pranit. I played a role of board member who had gruff voice. I am Amshrikar. I played a role of Linkins in this play.
I am Yashwan. I played the role of Oliver from 3.
I am Sadguru Sainath. I played the role of master in this play.